Hi friends, welcome to the session. In this video, we will see how to create a ladder logic program using ComGeo software for two-way switch. Okay guys, now let me get into the video. Okay guys, actually this is the logic for two-way switch. That is, we need two inputs and one output. That is, when the two inputs are in off condition, the output should be in off condition, and when any of this input is on, then only the output will be on, and if the two inputs are in on, the output should be off. That is, either any of the one input is on, then only the output should be in on condition. Okay, this is the logic for two-way switch. Now we're going to implement this logic in ComGeo software. Okay, sorry, ISPSOFT software. Okay guys, now let me open the ISPSOFT software. Go to the taskbar and initially on the, so this is the ComGeo, so initially turn on the ComGeo software. See, now it is already in start mode, so we no need to change any parameters. If it is in off condition, here you will have start option, so just click start option, so it will be automatically converting to start state. Okay, now go to ISPSOFT. Okay, just wait for a few seconds, it will open. Initially it will takes less than 60 seconds, so just wait for a few seconds guys. See, now it is open. Okay, now go to file and click new. Okay, click yes. Okay, now give the project name. Okay, here it is, two-way switch. Okay, then click OK. Then after that, go to tools and select communication settings, and then here you need to check whether it is in program 1 or whatever may be. That is, in ComGeo software we have created a project name. Okay, see, I will show. So just open the ComGeo software. See, here it is in program, that is program 1. Initially we have created program 1 file in ComGeo software. The same should be reflected in ISPSOFT. Okay, see, in the communication setting we have driver, that is program 1. Okay, the same ComGeo file and here the ISPSOFT communication setting driver file should be in same. Then only the ladder logic will communicate with HMI, that is HMI software, that is DOPSOFT. And similarly the ISPSOFT also communicate with ComGeo, that is, so this driver file should be same as the ComGeo file. Okay, ensure it is in ComGeo file, then click OK. Now go to the device command list. We have multiple inputs, so here we having just two inputs only, so that is x0 and x1. For x0, given test that is input 1 and x1 is input 2. Okay, and we need one output, that is a lamp. Okay, just click enter and just minimize it. Now Now go to program, just right click that and click new. Okay, now we need to give a name for program, or leave as it is and click OK. Or you can give the name as two-way switch and click OK. Okay, now it is opened. Okay, that's all. First we will insert the inputs. Click that contact button, just click here, sorry, go to this rectangular box, then click it. Similarly we need three another contacts, just click it. Okay, similarly to parallel to this we need another contact. Okay, just wait, just click here and now select the contact and then you click this parallel option. Okay, then after that we need another input, so just click here and go to the contact, just click here. Okay, that's all. Now finally we need one output, that is lamp. Just now go and touch this line and just click here. Now the output is inserted. Okay, now you need to assign the addresses for this. So first one is x0 and this is x1 and this is once again x0 and this is x1. Okay, okay, that's all. And finally this is output, this is y0. Okay, see guys, here we need this, it has normally closed switch. Okay, similarly this is also normally closed. Now I will tell what is the reason for choosing this as a normally closed. Okay, see, now I will explain you the logic. See, these are the main two inputs for us. So now when this input is on, since it is in normally closed type, so when the on input is on, the current will flow through this and it will makes the lamp to on. Okay, this is the first condition. Sorry, first condition is 0 0 is 0. Okay, now in normal state when the x0 input is 0 and x1 input is 0, by defaultly the output also is 0. And then second logic is when any of the one input is on, that is 0 1 is when the input is 0 and 1, the output should be in on condition. That is, consider now this is in on state. Okay, and this is in off state. So during this state what will happen, the current will flow through this and it will make the lamp on. Okay, see, now this logic also satisfied. Now the third logic is 0 1 is equal to 0, sorry, is equal to 1, that is 0 1 is equal to 1. That is, when the second input is on state and the first input is in off state, the lamp should be in on. That is, consider it now it is in on state, so the current will flow through this and it will make the output on. Okay, now the third condition also satisfied. And the last condition is when the two input is on, the output should be in off condition. Okay, so consider now this input is turned into on and this input also turned into on. Okay, In this case, what will happen when this x0 is on state? Here in the second line we have make this x0 as in NC. So when the NC is on, it will make the contact to open, so no current will flow through this. Similarly, when the second input is on, the same like x0, x1 also here we have inserted as NC. So when the second input is on, the x1 also will turn into open state, so no current will flow through here. So when the two input is on, now the output will be in off condition. Okay, see now the final condition also satisfied. Guys, if you observe this, it will be similar to XOR gate logic. Okay, now we will compile this. Just go to compile button. See guys, due to some mistake, these options are now came here. Actually in the previous video you can see these options were in here. Okay, but now it is came here, so no issues. If you have these options here, just use accordingly. So now initially compile this program, then download to PLC, click transfer. Actually I'm unknowingly pressed the runs button, so only it shows the warning. I click OK, just close it. Just now convert it to on mode, so the online mode. Then make sure you have enabled this button. Actually it is already in enabled state, so no need to enable once again. Then finally go to start, run, click yes. Okay, see currently these two inputs are in off state. Okay, as per the logic, when the two inputs are in off, output should be in off. Similarly, when any of the one input is on, output should be on. Okay, now we will check. Consider now this first input is on. See, the output is on. Similarly, okay, now we will turn it to off. When the second input alone is on, see, when the second input is alone on, the output will also in on. Okay, now the third condition is also satisfied, and the final condition set on. When the two inputs are in on, output should be off. Okay, see now the output is turned off. That is the fourth condition also satisfied. That's all guys, this is the logic for two-way switch. In this session we have learned what is the logic for two-way switch and how to build that logic and design the later logic for the two-way switch. In the next session we will see how to create graphics for two-way switch and how to integrate that HMI with this PLC in the next session. Okay guys, thank you. We will meet in the next session.